Hello everyone, this is Mihir Koralwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on LTTS. Analyst maintains buy on LTTS with a price target of Rs 6,500 as we believe the company is well placed to see incremental uptake in revenue from broad-based growth across verticals, strong pipeline and consolidation and transformational deals and supported by Intel Swift's acquisition. The acquisition is expected to enhance their AI, digital and software product engineering capabilities and expand addressable market, offering a higher growth trajectory in the future. We expect sales PAD CAGR of 14.7%, 13.4% over FY 2024 to 2027. At current market price, the stock trades at 29.3x its FY 27 EPS.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.